guys, welcome back to Repairman for Life. Today we've got a washroom that's been leaking for some time. We've got to end up putting a vinyl floor composite back over top of this, but we're going to have to address this rotten floor before we do that. So let's dive right into it. You're going to pocket dead end. It's cut saw, skill saw, quarter skill saw, all that good stuff. Nails.
What was the 7 on the porch?
Yeah, just set it up outside.
Slippery.
Jab it in from that side.
Over here?
Right there in front of you. Jab it all the way under, or it's up on it. Jab it all the way under. Twisted. Yeah.
there.
Alright guys, what we're running into here is a massive amount of rot in this floor. What we're going to do is end up covering this with some 3/4, fresh 3/4. And we're going to end up putting a floating floor over top of it. This is a situation where with the pandemic and everything, people aren't able to do what needs to be done. I mean, obviously, we're going to get into thousands and thousands of dollars on really repairing it like it should be. But in this situation, we need to do the best we can for this customer here. So let's get back at it. Hey guys, I told you we're going to be using this DeWalt shop vac that we just picked up from Lowe's, our local Lowe's store. Like I said, get you some of that stimulus money if you need one. Great buy to pick one up. It was like $79. So let's try that. Alright guys, we just got done vacuuming this floor up. Got it swept out. We're going to run to our Lowe's, see if we can pick up some of this plywood. And really like that DeWalt vacuum cleaner. Everything's really quiet. Rolls really nice. A whole lot nicer than that Craftsman I had. But the Craftsman did give me a good use for many years. Alright guys, let's be right back.